So this is the session where we will show you the cold section of quantity food production area. This whole section represents the cold section, and here we always perform the cold activities like salad making, cutting, chopping, and like carving sort of things. All these things are done out here. Now we will have a look at the trolley, like the like a dustbin, which is having a available trolley system. This is the dustbin we have got. Like from a distance, you might think it's a trolley, but it's not a trolley. It's a dustbin. We can see that the container which has been fixed on the available like part of the structure, and the main advantage of this trolley is we can dump all the garbage inside the dustbin, and the whole thing can be wheeled out by the MTS worker, and this container is taken out and emptied out, and once again it is lined with the polythene and it is placed on the strategic location like this, so that the students, they can throw all the garbage. So this is very much important from the viewpoint of a quantity food production area for garbage disposal system. Now we will have a look the other part. This part is the basin where like all the students, they can wash their utensils, small utensils, vegetables, they can wash their hands. We have got another basin. This basin has got like another part of hot water where people can wash the hand by using the hot water, the vegetables, etc. Specifically when the temperature like deeps down somewhere around 2-3 degrees centigrade in the city of Gwalior, which is very much coldest. Then we have got another like important equipment. This is called electrically operated potato peeler. This can be connected electrically from this particular point of connection, and the lid is openable from outside. You can have a look inside also. It has got a hollow well sort of structure, and inside that we have got a rotatable blade which is fixed inside. The potato pieces are dumped inside. Little bit of water is allowed from the top, or the water connection can be from like outside also. In the modernized like equipment, the water connection is like fixed from outside to a nozzle, and after it is like doing its work, the skin is totally like taken out, and the shape of the potato is also given a round sort of thing, and the front door is openable in this way. If we open in this way, the round potato, they come out after leaving the skins off inside. Then we can again close it down in this way. Then we will have this look at this kind of machine, which is called a paste maker, or you can say an electrically operated grinding machine. It is again electrically operated. The connection is given from here, and in this machine we make the paste of onion, ginger, garlic, spinach, and all the things where we can add some water and a paste is taken out. But the disadvantage of this machine is we cannot make any powder sort of like preparation like dhania powder, jeera powder, etc. It's not very much possible. For that purpose, we have got another kind of machine. This is called pulverizer. Let us have a look at this machine. This particular like wooden log, it's used to like create the pressure on the vegetable which can go inside, or if we want to make like the powder of the whole spices, the whole spice can go inside also. And we have got the blades fixed here of various grades, various gauges, and the blades, they work accordingly. If we want fine powder, fine paste, the blades can be like removed, or they can be adjusted. If we want little bit of like rough paste, rough powder, again the blade is adjustable. This is a rough and tough sort of machine, and anyone can use it, but yes, with careful like application. No water should go inside the motor, otherwise the coiling will be disturbed and it will like be liable for the second repairing. It will be cost effective, like it will increase the cost. Then we have got the other utensils. The utensils, you can see the utensils are traditionally like operated utensils. We have got the bhagona, lids, the kadai, etc. And I can give you the guarantee the utensils are so strong, like one person cannot lift up the utensil. So you can well understand QTK, it's a place where the strong people are required. So if you have the strength, this is a challenging job, you can take up this job and you can show that yes, you are a very good chef and you can become a very good chef also. But have that courage within you that you can do it. Yes, the best mantra is I can do. Fine. Then we have got like other looks. You can see this kadai, how huge it is. like in this kadai, we can make not less than I think 500 or even more portions of sabzi, dal, etc. can be made in this kadai. Apart from that, this we have got other utensils also. We will have a look of this particular place. This is called a sink. The sink is a place where the huge utensils like this we transfer here after the session is over, and we carry on with the cleaning activities by using the nozzle. We have got the two taps out here. One is for the hot water supply, another one is for the cold water supply, and both the taps are working very much effectively when the session is on. Then we have got these are the like shelves we have got like to keep the utensils like this in a proper manner, and this is the department or the section we can tell it to be like scullery department or stewarding department you can say, which is like the term used in the 5-star hotel environment. These shelves are known as aluminium racks, and these are like the metals which do not rust. So this has got a very big advantage that during the using of water and detergent, the aluminium racks, they do not get rusted very soon. Then again the vessel is there we have got. Then we have got again the set of aluminium racks, and all the utensils are adjusted out here. Here we have got the small utensils. You can see this frying pan. Then we have got khalpatta, that is mortar and pestle. Then various kinds of spoons, trays, pressure cooker, all are arranged out here. Yes, we will show you one more thing. There is a veg and non-veg section. We can see this is the non-veg section. Now the thing is how we represent the non-veg section. The non-veg section or the non-veg things are identified or indicated with the color red. So you can see the red color of the chopping board, which indicates in this particular section we make use of the items such as fish, mutton, chicken, etc. They are cutting, they are dressing, they are piece making, etc. All these things are done here. This place is called butchery section. Though in hotel they have got a very huge butchery department, butchery chef and butchery staff members, as because we are a nationally important institute of hotel management, but located in a small city, historical city, that is Gwalior. So in this way we can tell you that we maintain all the various sections which are managed or which are shown in the 5-star hotel. Then we have got, this is a very small store. This is called a mini store, though the light is not inside right now, but you can have a look right from here. This is a mini store where we keep all the things stored which are not of regular use, or you can say the things are used once or twice in a year, and this is a very safe place, and we have to keep it under lock and key for the purpose of security reason. Then we have got again working tables out here, and here we have got the chef Mr. Brijmohan Davrani. It's his office you can say, it's his chamber you can say, and he has his lot of working menu planning, menu making, advising to the head or in charge of the kitchen department. So it is his own area. And then we have got at the back we have got the room service trolley, but we are using it as a spice keeping place. So this is used in F&B service. Then we have got another thing. This is called banquet trolley you can say, on which the sacks are kept over there. The use of the banquet trolley is to carry out the food from the preparation area up to the area where the food is being served. So you have got very little idea about the trolleys, but there are a number of trolleys in the hotel industry. Again, a working table. Now the best part of it is best out of west. You can see it, and this we have made during this various competitions which are held during Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat under the direction of the Honorable Government of India. And I'm proud of my institute that our staff members, our students, they have made use of this particular thing which would have otherwise been thrown inside the dustbin. So this is a thing where we can keep the vegetables like you have seen in the malls. The things are well kept, and we can keep various things which are of regular use, then dry items, spices, etc. The main part of it is very much showable. It can show the things where the things are kept in a proper way. This is the refrigerator, the domestic one which you use at home. But here, as because institute is not very big, so that is why this is very much sufficient. Then again the racks out here. Then this is the trolley we have got. This is called vegetable trolley or store collection trolley. This trolley is every day in the morning taken out in the vegetable section in the store, and the trolley is loaded by the storekeeper under his direction, and the trolley is wheeled from there to the QTK by our student or our staff member, Mr. Rambabu is there. We will have a short meet with him. Then we have got the spice section where all the dry items are stored out here. So again we will have a look of the kitchen. This part is called the cold section. Now I will tell you little more about the spice trolley. Just have a look out here. This is a trolley which is very newly idea you can develop out of it. It's a new concept. If I remove the containers leaves, you will see that all the places are filled with some spices. This trolley is specifically made for this particular purpose. The whole trolley can be wheeled up to the gas range or the cooking range, and the chef or the cook should not carry the spices little at a time. So this is a new concept. Now we will have we have got Mr. Rambabu. हम लोग के साथ रामबाबू जी हैं, हमारे साथ है मिस्टर ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जो एक्सपीरियंस इंडियन शेफ हैं. तो मैं अभी मिस्टर ब्रिजमोहन गबरानी जी से मैं थोड़ा सा पूछना चाहूंगा कि आप अपना जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो साझा करें.
देखिए, अभी हम जो इस किचन में खड़े हैं ये है हमारी QTK यानी कि क्वांटिटी ट्रेनिंग किचन. इसके अंदर हम जो फूड हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं इंडिया के वेरियस रीजन से जो प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जो कि अपना कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक जो इंडिया के वेरियस रीजन है उससे हम उसका सारा फूड इसके अंदर प्रिपेयर करते हैं, जो लगभग पर डे 400-500 पीपल्स का रहता है. इसके अंदर हमारे सेकेंड ईयर के जो विद्यार्थी हैं वो लोग ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. वो लोग पूरा अपना जो रीजन वाइज कुजिन को ऊपर काम करते हैं और उसको फिर लंच में हमारे जो बाकी विद्यार्थी हैं उनके लिए हमारा लंच तैयार करके उनको लंच टाइम में उनके लिए खाना प्रिपेयर करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो है हम वेरियस कुजिन जैसे कश्मीरी है, पंजाबी कुजिन है, बंगाली कुजिन है, गोवन कुजिन है, इन सारे को लेके यहाँ पे प्रशिक्षण दिया जाता है विद्यार्थियों को. जैसा कि सर ने आपको पूरा किचन का विजिट कराया ही था. इसके अंदर सारे जो इक्विपमेंट्स हैं उस मतलब टाइप के इक्विपमेंट जिसके अंदर की हम क्वांटिटी में खाना हम प्रिपेयर कर सके. हमारी जो रेंजेस आपने देखी हैं हॉट सेक्शन की वो लो हाइट की इसलिए तैयार की गई है ताकि जो भी उसमें हम कुकिंग करेंगे आसानी से हो सके. हमारे पास जो बड़ा जो वॉक इन हमारे पास जिसको कोल्ड स्टोर बोलते हैं वो भी अवेलेबल है. खाना जो हमारा एक्सेस कभी कई बार हमारा लेफ्ट ओवर बचता है उसके अंदर हम सेव कर सकते हैं, या हमारे वेजिटेबल्स हम 1-2 दिन एडवांस में मंगा के उसके लिए रख सकते हैं. तो बाकी जो भी हमारे सर ने आपको अच्छे से ही पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर चुके हैं. ये हमारा जो किचन है, मैं इस QTK किचन के अंदर प्रयोगशाला सहायक, सर की असिस्टेंट, बाकी सर है हमारे.
बहुत अच्छा. तो ब्रिजमोहन जी आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. तो हम लोगों ने देखा ब्रिजमोहन जी ने कितने अच्छी तरीके से हम लोगों को समझा कि कितना काम होता है यहाँ पर, और जितना बोला जाए वहां पे QTK का उतना कम है. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे काम होते हैं, बहुत सारे मेनू बनते हैं. अभी हमारे साथ है श्री रामबाबू जी. तो रामबाबू जी अपने शब्दों में थोड़ा अपना अनुभवों को साझा करें.
मेरा नाम रामबाबू जी है, MTS से हूँ यहाँ पे QTK में, और जोरदार सर जो है हमारे सीनियर लेक्चरर हैं, HOD है. और हम यहाँ पे जो सेकेंडरी किचन के बच्चों को खाना गुजराती, बंगाली और पंजाबी सभी प्रकार के खाना सिखाते हैं यहाँ पे.
बहुत सुंदर. तो आप लोगों ने देखा हमारे किचन कितने महान हैं, कितने अच्छे हैं, कितने सुंदर हैं. तो आप लोगों से हम लोगों का ये निवेदन है कि आप लोग जरूर होटल मैनेजमेंट पढ़ने की इच्छा रखें, और होटल मैनेजमेंट के जरिए हम अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. हम तरह तरह के पकवानों के बारे में हम पूरे देश को, पूरे विश्व को बताएंगे, और हम देश के लिए अच्छे से अच्छा काम करेंगे, अच्छे से अच्छा पकवान बनाएंगे, और हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. धन्यवाद.